welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making creamy garlic butter salmon. Try this recipe, you'll never stop eating this. Okay, so first I'm going to prepare my seasoning, my dry seasoning. Here I have some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning. We're going to use a little bit of this. You can use any seasoning of your choice, but if you want to use mine, that's fine. I'm going to use some Cajun season. We're going to use some onion powder. We're going to use some garlic powder. I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning. We're going to combine everything together. This is good. We're going to use a little oil. Mix everything nicely together. Guys, please go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So just gonna put this aside. So now we're gonna season our salmon. It's gonna be so nice and flavorful. And make sure your seasoning gets everywhere. Now we're going to set it aside for 20 minutes before we prepare it. Now I'm going to add some oil to my pot. So now I'm going to add my salmon in. Nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to give my salmon a turn. Nice and beautiful. So now I'm just going to remove them. So now I'm going to make my creamy garlic butter sauce. So I'm going to add some butter into it. So I have some minced garlic. I'm going to add it to the pot. We're just going to saute that. Here I have some onions. We're also going to have that. You don't want this to burn, because the worst thing you want is burn onion and burn garlic in your food. Here I have a vegetable cube. I'm going to use this as well. I'm not using all of it. I'm just going to use half of it. So I'm just going to put that in. Because it's a bit salty, we don't need all of it, just a little bit. I had that in. I'm just going to leave this on the stove for 5 minutes. And then we had our other ingredients in. So now I'm going to add some basil in. This is really nice and flavorful. You try this, you're going to love it. See how nice and thick that is? Beautiful. Look at that. This is delicious. Very simple to do. Very quick and simple. Just gonna have them in. And we're just gonna use the sauce to cover it. Look at all that goodness. Yummy. This is divine. Very flavorful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see how I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.